Alright guys, so quickly doing an unboxing video of this Goqii Smart Vital fitness band. So it has full-time heart rate monitoring. Essentially it does heart rate monitoring on regular intervals. It has sleep tracking. Most of the Goqii bands do not have that good sleep tracking, since I'm manually activating the sleep mode has been disabled. So otherwise it does have sleep tracking. It has got 1.3-inch color. Most probably it's an LCD display. Finally they have stopped using OLED as the display settings, because clearly these bands, after they have launched the color variants, they do not have OLED screens. I had to request the CEO of Goqii, Vishal Gondal, to stop advertising them as OLED screen, because they are clearly not OLED screens. Okay, so this is how you get it. You get a 2-pin magnetic charger with it, and it has got all the activity tracking. It has got O2 sensor, so you can use it during the pandemic for measuring your oxygen levels as well. It has got SpO2 sensor, but I will have to check its accuracy, because most of the sensors on Goqii bands unfortunately are not so accurate. So I'll have to check how's the accuracy level. It has got up to 7 days of battery life, so no longer it has that USB, direct USB charging mode. So quickly removing the seal. I think this is how it will come out. Okay, I think there's double seal on this one. Okay, I think I'll have to pull it like this. I think here is the band. It has got some sticker on top of it. Yeah, it's like a dongle. 3 months of activation card, and we've got a user manual. Some basic, probably useful information. There's the band itself, and I think this is the core, what Goqii call. Band should be inside this box. I think it comes with 3 different colored bands, which is good. These bands have started breaking up just like that, just like anything. This is the charger. So this is good. It comes with 3 different bands, because they break quite easily now that they are using some Chinese vendor to manufacture these bands for them. It's very easy to break. It's a magnetic charger, so I think I'll have to just put it like this. Good. And it has got SpO2 and heart rate sensors here on the back. I think this is the physical proximity sensor, just like a ECG band. probably needed for O2 sensor, SpO2 sensor, specific oxygen level sensor. Designed by Goqii Smart Vital, and some numbers are there with serial number. Okay, sticker you can remove. This is how it looks. Yep, needs to be charged. It's not charged. Okay, so I think that's it. I will first have to charge it before making a first impression video. So this is a first fully smart fitness band. I think it has got music control, including the volume control, which is quite useful if you are riding a bicycle or a two-wheeler. So you can listen to music and control it using this band, which is very useful. Otherwise you will have to take out the phone and probably answer the phone calls also. I think answering phone calls was supported by the earlier Goqii Vital bands. So this one finally has got music control. Okay, so rest of it I'll review. I will make a first impression video after some time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.